Starting something new? A business, a brand, a legacy? Whatever you're building, it deserves protection, and legal support shouldn't be confusing, expensive, or out of reach. That's where we come in. This channel is for entrepreneurs, creators, freelancers, families, and small business owners who want to protect what they're building without paying thousands in legal fees or wasting hours trying to decode complicated terms. I'm a licensed attorney with over 25 years of experience in the fields of law and finance, and I've seen how easy it is to get stuck on something that should be simple. That's why I created this channel, to make legal solutions simple, accessible, and stress-free. At Modern Will Solutions, we feature the most trusted online legal tools, including Trust and Will, Nolo, LegalZoom, Rocket Lawyer, and more. These services help you quickly create wills, trusts, LLCs, powers of attorney, healthcare directives, contracts, and other essential legal documents quickly and affordably. You'll also find practical answers to common legal questions so you can move forward without hiring a lawyer. Whether you're looking for a fast fix or a full breakdown, you'll find it here, along with links to the tools we personally use and recommend. Subscribe to Modern Will Solutions and take the first step to protect what you're building.